Very good morning, children. Welcome to the today class. Today we are going to discuss about 6th and 7th problems from exercise 12.2, that is areas related to the circle. 6th problem is here. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. So children, this is the radius of circle 15 centimeter, that is center of the circle O, and AB is a chord. This is the radius AO and OB is the radius. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degrees in the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments. Here children, this is AB down, it is complete, it is a minor segment. AB above is the, that is major segment. So minor segment, how can we find out minor segment? Minor segment means area of the sector. This is complete sector children. A, O, B, X. Like this is sector. So how to find out the minor segment means area of sector minus area of triangle. Here given radius equals to 15 centimeters and angle equal to 60 degrees. That is angle they are given here is, the angle is 60 degrees. Radius is 15 centimeter. So here radius 15 centimeter, angle equal to 60 degrees. So area of minor segment, here minor segment and major segment we have to find out. The two areas we have to find out. Area of minor segment, this is minor segment, AB down, this portion is, down portion is called in the circle minor segment. The above portion of the scale is called, that is major segment children. Minor segment, how can you find out? Sector minus triangle we have to remove. Area of sector minus area of triangle children. Area of sector formula theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle. It is writing equilateral triangle formula. Area of equilateral triangle formula root 3 by 4a square. Sir, why sir are you writing area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4a square means your angle is 60 degrees. Here also 60, here also 60. Why means the opposite sides are equal. So that's why all the angles are equal. So it is 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60. The 3 into 60 equal to 180. Therefore that is equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4a square. Theta means the angle is subtended. Subtends an angle of 60 degrees. Theta means 60 degrees. 60 by 360 into pi value they are given in the bracket. Use pi equals to 3.14 and the square root of root 3 equals to 1.73 children. Pi value 3.14, root 3 value 1.73. Pi means 3.14, radius means 15. 15 square r square. 15 into 15 minus root 3 value 1.73. Here it is given, and by 4 a value side of the equilateral triangle, this is 15. It is 15 into 15. Children, here cancellation 6 0 0 cancel children. 6 1s are 6 6 are therefore 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into 1 by 6 into 3.14 into 225 children. 15 into 15. 1.73 by 4 into 15 into 15. 225. So here children, first of all you have to write down 3.14 into 225 by 6. Here also 1.73 into 224 by 225 by 4. Here now 3.14 into 225 by 6 means 37.5. 1.73 into 225 by 4 means 56.25. The product of 3.14 into 37.5 equals 117.750 minus 1.73 into 56.25 equal to 97.3125. The subtraction of these two equal to, we are getting answer 20 point. Here it is given subtraction 117.750 by 97.3125, 20.4375. 20.4375 centimeters. Therefore, area of minor segment, that is area of minor segment. Area of minor segment means just keep in mind this formula. Area of a sector minus area of triangle. That is the first one. Next, major segment. Major segment is now AB is a chord. AB above we have to, the scale above part is called in the circle is called, that is major segment. Children, this is here it is given major segment. Major segment, how we are going to find out? Complete area of a circle minus area of minor segment. Minor segment we got it. Area of minor segment equal to area of a circle minus area of minor segment. Area of circle formula pi r square. Pi r square. Area of minor segment 20.4375. 20.4375. Pi means what is the value, children, here? 3.14. 3.14. R value. So this is the 15 into 15. 15 into 15. 15 into 15, how much, children? 225. That is 225 to 3.14. 706.50. Minus this is area of minor segment 20.4375. So 706.50 minus 20.4375. The result equals to subtraction after 686.0625 centimeters square. This is area of major segment. Area of major segment means area of a circle minus area of minor segment. That is here area of minor segment means area of a sector minus area of triangle. These two are from 6th. When we are coming to the 7th one, this is the 7th one, children. Just look at here all of you. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degrees. Here it is very 120 degrees is given at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Children, given that radius equals to radius 12 centimeter, an angle subtended at the center 120 degrees. This is 120 degree, children. AB is a chord, 12 centimeters radius. 120 we are going to divide half, it is bisecting. OC is the bisector of AB. 60, 60. Here two triangles are there. First of all, what they will find the area of the corresponding segment. Corresponding segment of a circle means it is, so area of minor segment, that is. Corresponding segment means minor segment. Minor segment means area of the sector minus area of triangle. So here area of sector form theta by 360 into pi r square, children. Theta means 120 degrees. 120 by 360 into pi value 3.14 here also given, and radius is 12 into 12. So children, you can cancel here 0 and 0 0 cancel. 12 ones, 12 threes. 1 by 3 into 3.14 into 12 into 12. 3 ones are 3 fours. 4 into 12, 48 into 3.14. Therefore, 3.14 into 48 equals to 150.72 centimeters. That is the area of sector. Area of sector we got here. Area of sector minus area of triangle. What is the area of triangle? Area of triangle we have to find. Children, this is the 120 bisector means 120 bisecting 60. Here 60, here 90. 90 plus 60, 150 means here 30. Here also 30. So children, we have to find out, this is the area of triangle means half base into height we have to find. Why is 90 degrees is there? What is the base here? Base we don't have, that's why we have to find out here base. Here two triangles are there, children. From triangle ACO, where is the ACO? ACO. ACO triangle is 60, 90. 60, 90, 150 plus this is the 30, children. That's why sin 30 I am taking here. We are going to apply the trigonometric ratios. Sin 30. Sin 30 means opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side, what is it? OC by OA. OC by OA. Sin 30 value decrease 1 by 2. OC value OC only, and OA value 12 is. So children, here is a cancellation. 1 by 2 into OC by 12 means 2 ones are 2, 6 are. Therefore OC equals to 6 cm. OC with height we got it. Base is required. Half base into height. What is the base here now? Therefore I am going to write here. Here I am going. Therefore sin 60 again I am taking. Sin 60, where is 60? This is 60. Sin means what is it? 60 degrees opposite side by hypotenuse. AC by OA. Here AC by OA. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. AC value we have to find out, and OA value, it is the OA value 12. Therefore 2 into 12 how much it is? Here what is that? 2, otherwise you can cancel, children. Here 2 ones are 2, 6 are. Therefore AC equals to 6 into root 3. Here AC 6 root 3 means here it is given. AC equals to B6 meter. Why means OC is the perpendicular of AB. That's why AC equals to BC. AC 6 root 3 means BC are 6 root 3. 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3, how much it is? 12 root 3. That is the length of the that is the triangle AB equals. Therefore, AB equals 6 root 3 plus 6 root. These two are equal children. AC equals to BC. Sir, why it is equal? This is perpendicular. OC is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That means it is bisecting off means AC equal to BC. AC value got it here 6 root 3. BC also 6 root 3. Here it is given off of AB. Therefore, AB equal to AC plus BC. 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3 equal to 12 root 3. Now we are going to find out area of triangle. Area of sector we got it. Area of triangle. Area of triangle UOB means half base into height. Base how much it is 12? Height is 6. Here it is there, right? OC equals 6 cm. OC we got it here. Into 6. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Then 12 into 3. 12 into how much children? 36. 36 root 3 value 1.73 they are given here. So 36 into 1.73 62.28 centimeter. That is area of triangle. Now we have to find the corresponding segment. Find the area of corresponding segment means therefore area of segment equal to area of segment is segment. Which segment is minor segment? Area of segment equal to area of sector minus this one minus area of triangle. Here I have told you that area of minor segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. Here also area of sector minus area of triangle. Area of sector 150.72 minus 62.28. That is the subtraction of these two equal to 88.44 centimeter. That is area of corresponding segment. Area of corresponding segment means just have to keep in mind. This is a corresponding segment. Corresponding segment. This is a segment. Corresponding segment. Area of the corresponding segment is area of minor segment. That is equal to 88.44. Thank you. Have a nice day. We will continue in the next class.